Hello, guys, welcome back. I'm back yet again, reviewing and unpacking Itonga. Now, guys, as we also ukuthi ubanele unfortunate untanzi udarishile ihit kabanele and ubanele akasekho anymore. Yo guysini mangithi uzama akekho right uzama uyahlanya strong however waze wayibulala bandle untanzi ingane yakhe so nje uzama kuyabonakala ukuthi ubesemathandweni ehlanyani nobanele. But then since ubanele engasekho emhlabeni uzama inhliziyo yakhe isele iphukile akekho right akakwazi ngisho nanokucabanga untanzi lana uyele wam-advise ke uzama ukuthi akukho right noma akuwona umbono omuhle ukuthi uzama efune ukuya elontuzeni emncwebeni. But then uzama was like lalela webaba ngiyaya emncwebeni ila engiya khona hayi drama kazama wema. And you know uzama the way akakhala ngakhona bengicabanga ukuthi nasemncwabeni uzofika nje esethwele izandla ekhanda esekhala ubunqandunqandu kodwa shembandla angisho nje ukuthi emncwabeni uke wazama wayiphatha wazenza umuntu. Kodwa-ke uzama guysini esehamba phela eyolahlela inhlabathi laphayana hawu kanti akuwona nomndeni abantu abalahlela inhlabathi uzama eseyifaka emajezisa ilunga lomndeni. Siyazi phela ukuthi ubandile ushone ubanele ushone ecele uzama ukuthi beshade but then kade bengakashadi futhi nesicelo sikabanele besingakaziwa kanjalo so therefore akufana ukuthi nje kade seyintombi efihliwe you know. But yey uzama uthi nje yena ufuna ukuziphindiselela kubantu abambulalele ithemba lakhe ukhuluma la nobabakhe ke untanzi yey untanzi uvalo luvele muthi nje sheqe kancane uzama ume expressa ukuthi nje abantu abamthathele igugu lakhe ufuna ukuthi nabo beye kwagoqanyawo. Untanzi-ke lana useyakhuluma-ke nobhuti wakhe ukuthi lalela uzoyenza nanoma ngabe yini ezojabulisa indodakazi yakhe makumele nje enze sure ukuthi ubulala ngisho amadoda ayisigidi sezinkulungwane uzokwenza lokho as long as indodakazi yakhe uzama izoba happy. So it appears ke ukuthi untanzi lana once again he's ordering a hit guysini ningabothemba abantu. So untanzi remember he was the one who ordered a hit on ubanele and he's doing the same manje uorderisha i-hit ukuthi kuhambe abanye abantu futhi beyobulala labantu ababulala ubanele. Uyasho ukuthi ufuna ukuthi le ndaba ibe yimfihlo ingaphumeli ngaphandle indaba yokuthi uyena owabulala ulontuzana owabulala ubanele because kungenzeka phela guysini ukuthi indaba iphumele ngaphandle especially if you have inkabi maybe umuntu eboost ethi yimi ngayibulala loya muntu you get. So and ke sana ulontuzana untanzi uzama ukumanage ukwenza sure ukuthi ithemba lakhe inkosi yami uzama akazi lutho futhi aka found out ngendaba yokuthi uyena onesandla sokubulala ubanele. But kuyasana ulontuzana untanzi asembone isola ngento akayenzile kundodakazi yakhe noma ebona ukuthi hayibo indodakazi yami shothi bimthanda ngempela ubanele but mina ngokwami angimboni njeebonakalisa kuyisola ukuthi hawe mangathi ngayisola ukuthi indodakazi yami manje ayisekho right at all ngendaba yokuthi ngiyithathele isoka layo. Ayike guysini ke umphali mangikutshela ukuthi useyahlanya usesika ngisho amaflower elontuzeni egcekeni lakubo uthi nje akafuni nje ukubona izinto ezinhle ngoba vele izinto ezinhle vele zonke ihlale zifa. Guys, I think uNelisiwe, this is one of her best performance kesana, like she is doing the wonders. Okay, she's doing the Lord's work here. This is one of her best performance ever. Okay, it's this performance right here. She is killing this role. Okay, and I think she deserves her flowers. Okay, she does deserve her flowers. So therefore now uNelisiwe uyahamba ke uya kwaDlomo uyokhalisana nabo makuphela komncwabo ke uyahamba kuya kaDlomo uyosho ukuthi uyazi ukuthi abantu bakaDlomo bazizwa kanjani ngoba naye useyinhlungwini ezifana nabantu bakwaDlomo. Uyazi ukuthi uBanele ubethandwa futhi ube umuntu olungile, futhi ube umuntu olungile kumndeni wonke, not just kuyena uMbali, yabo. UMadlomo-ke la uconfuse ngenye indlela ukuthi hayibo uthini manje uMbali, yabona, aka-understand nje at all. I mean uMakhumalo, guys, yena uMakhumalo, umama kaBanele aka-understand lana ukuthi uthini manje uMbali, but luckily u-Ayanda-ke uyagetha-ke ukuthi kuhamba kanjani-ke. And then uMbali lana ubonga ngisho u-Ayanda ukuthi no, ngithi nje nawe ngikubonge ukuthi phela uyile wangigqugquzela, even though bengithi nje emngcwabeni angizi, but uyile wangigqugquzela-ke ngagcina sengiphumelelile emngcwabeni, so ngithi nje angibonge, yabo. Hayi uMakhumalo usase-confused-ke ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani la, what's happening, yabo. Hayi uNtanzi-ke naye uyabona ukuthi akacontrol uZama, because it seems like uNtanzi akafuni ukuthi uMakhumalo azi, so uyabona ukuthi akacontrol uZama, akasusa uZama, emhambise ethi Zama lalela seku-enough, sekwanele lokho sokushilo la ekhaya, asambeni. Bayaphuma-ke bayahamba uNtanzi nendodakazi yakhe, kusala uMakhumalo nendodakazi yakhe yokugcina u-Ayanda. So therefore uMakhumalo uyasho-ke la ukuthi ake ngibuze uyambuza-ke lana u-Ayanda ukuthi Ayanda lalela, akuthi awuke ngikubuza ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngendodakazi kaNtanzi. Bisikhala kangaka-ke manje senqwanduza ungaze ufunge uze uyena umfelokazi. U-Ayanda uyasho ukuthi lana ma indaba yakho wena inkinga yakho ukuthi usuke uthethe, so therefore into ey'ningi thina la ekhaya sikwazi ukukutshela ngoba wena unolaka uvele nje uthethe, yabo. Hhayi-ke uLontuzana uMakhumalo asho ukuthi sekulate-ke vese khona nento engiyisolayo, awusho yini inkinga ngendodakazi kaNtanzi misikhala kangaka usungaze ufunge ukuthi uyona umfelokazi. Hayi u-Ayanda-ke uyabona la ukuthi akekho vele umasiza at this point, kumele vele sale semtshela uma wakhe ukuthi kahle kahle what is happening, kukhukhani phakathi kukaLontuzana kundodana yakhe uBanele noZama. So u-Ayanda uyasho ukuthi la mama ngicela ukuthi ungadinwa bandla, kodwa into engizokutshela yona ukuthi uLontuzana uZama benoBanele ngathi kade sekuneminyaka bethandana. uMakhumalo uthi ini bethandana, ayibo khuluma ngani wena? U-Ayanda uyasho la ukuthi ngempela kade bengakanitsheli nina abantu abadala ngoba phela kade besayifihla indaba yabo, kodwa nje ngathi uthando labo luze lagcina seluza ngamandla. uLontuzana uBanele wazogcina sebona ukuthi kungcono ukuthi ahambe eyopropose. Yay, uMakhumalo ngithi ulost uMakhumalo, akazi noma liyashona noma liyaphuma, aka-understand ukuthi hayibo ngempela uthini kimi u-Ayanda, kwenzakalani ngempela manje, kwenzakalani, yabo. And then it seems like uMakhumalo, because she's a very smart woman, it seems like she's very calculative, ufuna uku-understanda kahle kahle ukuthi hayibo uthini manje kimi lengane, and then so therefore manje-ke uMakhumalo uyayibuza ukuthi hayibo awumi uNtanzi ubeyazi le ndaba yokuthi indodakazi yakhe ithandana noBanele, and then u-Ayanda uyasho ukuthi ubengazi, kodwa ngiyasola ukuthi ube-suspect ukuthi khona into eyenzakalayo phakathi wakhe benoMbali, but kade besathi basazoveza as sengishilo ukuthi uBanele uze waze wapropose kuZama, shuthi into yabo kade sizoba serious, Hayi uMakhumalo-ke lana usebuza u-Ayanda ukuthi awungitshele uLontuzana uBanele bejwayele ukumbiza ngobani uZama, and u-Ayanda-ke lana uyasho ukuthi no, bejwayele ukumbiza ngogugu lami. Yey ngithi hayi uMakhumalo wabantu wacishe ashaya i-stroke. Wacishe ashaya i-stroke uMakhumalo, because it appears ukuthi uMakhumalo benobaba omncane wala ekhaya bayoconsulta-ke enyangeni, because babefuna uku-understand ukuthi hayibo washona nje kanjalo manje uBanele yini indaba, kwenzakaleni, and then mabefika-ke it seems like inyanga yabatshela la ukuthi uBanele khona into akayithathile komuntu, and le nto akayithathile it was very much valued, lo muntu lo ubeyivaluisha kakhulu, hayi kancane, and ubeyivaluisha ngendlela yokuthi ubeze yibize ngokuthi igugu layo, ethi igugu lami, and at that time, the time uMakhumalo esayenyangeni nobaba omncane wala ekhaya, baba omncane woBanele, kade ade nga-understand ukuthi hayibo uBanele engathathani kumuntu akayiveli ukuyishayo engaze embulalele yona, you know, kade nga-understand uMakhumalo. But it seems manje uMakhumalo, because I said she's very smart and very calculative, it seems like now she's finally putting in the dots and the pieces, and she suspects ukuthi oh flip uNtanzi, you know, uNtanzi should Ntanzi find out ukuthi uBanele no Zama there. I think since uNtanzi seems like, you know, akamthandisisi kahle uBanele nani, so it seems like uNtanzi vele waba nenkinga enkulu. So it's possible ukuthi uNtanzi is the one who ordered a hit on uBanele, you know. So of course right now we can just tell through official expression kaMakhumalo ukuthi oh flip, but then again uMakhumalo akayisho le ndaba ku-Ayanda, you know, uyambona ukuthi no uyayicabanga yena yedwa, and akafuni futhi ukuthi eyisho ku-Ayanda mhlambe or angaze amthusa u-Ayanda egcina sethukile, so uyasho ukuthi oh flip, but then indaba akaphumi nayo straight emtshela u-Ayanda ukuthi oh no Ayanda, this is what is going through my mind, you know. But then kena lana ye uMakhumalo uyadecide ukuthi yazini kuze ngilazi kahle hle lonke iqiniso nje ngoba linjalo, shuthi into ekumele ngiyenze la mele ngihambe ngiye kuNtanzi ngiyomconfront. Like hayibo lo mama akamsabi yini uNtanzi akamusabi yini uNtanzi esedecide nje ukuhamba eyomconfront by herself, because now we know ukuthi the family is currently weak and vulnerable, considering ukuthi uBanele wabo Nkosi yami umuntu ogxajelwa yikhanda akekho at this point. So the family is currently going through a very vulnerable state. But guess what, sana uMakhumalo unama occasions or instances akawacabangayo amdubele emfikela whereby uNtanzi ezovakashela umndeni wakhe and end up threatenishwa uBanele. So now in her mind she's like, oh, it all makes sense now, it all makes sense why uNtanzi would come here and end up threatening uBanele. It's probably because uNtanzi suspected that there is something going on between uBanele nendodakazi yakhe uZama. Haye uMakhumalo njengesikhukhukazi akayisona wadecide ukuthi yazini angalibele nje nginanaza ngishona le nale angivele nje ngemqonde ngqo uNtanzi. So uyafika yela emzini kaNtanzi uthola uNtanzi ukhuluma ne-bodyguard lakhe, of which guys we still need to talk about this boy right here who is Ntanzi's right hand man. I understand the relationship yakhe akanayo noNtanzi, but you can swear ukuthi he is crushing so hard on uMbali. I wonder ukuthi leyo ndaba izohamba kanjani. Siyafika yelana isikhukhukazi esiwuMakhumalo ukwate udinunwabo, you know, and then ayike lana ke uboy uyabona ukuthi no akabashiye bobabili bandla uluntusana uMakhumalo benoNtanzi bethi ukulumana indlebe. Yey guys, ngithi uma efika nje uMakhumalo uyashokela ukuthi emva kweminyaka emingaka, yey guys, mangithi le story sineyimfihlo sinamabhomu sikushaya ngamabhomu nje, yazini uzusanake lokhu ukuthi bu uzusanakele ukuthi bu so uMakhumalo ke la uyasho ukuthi kodwa emva kweminyaka emingaka mbhemu ngikufudumezela umbhede. Ngithi bo guysini uMakhumalo befudumeza umbhede kaNtanzi kuthiwani manje engane istory ngesikhathi sasiqala sabona ukuthi uMakhumalo wayenendoda yakhe ubaba uyingane zakhe beshadile ku right beyihlelele kahle. Kuthe kusenjalo ke kwafika abantu bamdubulela indoda yakhe. So it appears ukuthi emva kokuthi kube khona abantu abamdubulela indoda yakhe uMakhumalo wayebona ukuthi ifamily yakhe isi-weak manje, mhlambe badinga umuntu ozoba protector, you know, and maybe at the time abafana bakhe babesebancane, you know, uSanele benoBanele. So maybe she then decided as a woman, you know, ukuthi sometimes as a woman you gotta sacrifice yourself to protect you know. So she decided to sacrifice herself, wasisacrificela uNtanzi. Yo, uyasho-ke lana ukuthi yey bengingathandi ukuthi ngibe mhlawumbe embhedeni wakho noma into ey'kanjalo, but then I had to, I had to ukuthi ngiyithole sengisembhedeni wakho, and then wena wangibonga kanjani ngokuthi ungithathele ingane yami, Ayi uyaphika-ke lana-ke uNtanzi as expected. Uthi nje lalela, ngifunge umkami ney'ngane zami belele emathumeneni, angikaze mina ngize ngimthinta umntanakho, ngingamthintelani. Hayibo, sana, and it's very, very, very shocking because uNtanzi, guys, I think one thing that we have established about him ukuthi akayithandi leya family yakaDlomo, so uma engayithandi ifamily yakaDlomo, ubevumela kanjani ukuthi uMaKhumalo eze ezomfudumezela umbhede sana? And I'm like, no, this is shocking. This is too much. This is a lot to take in right now. Because ngempela ubevuma kanjani ukuthi uMaKhumalo ebe khona-ke sokhipha umbhede wakhe ube warm makuthi ifamily yakaloNtusana yalapha kaDlomo izonda ngaleyo ndlela. Ayi, uMaKhumalo kuyambona la ukuthi yazini uyenza isilima nje lo, ayikho lento akayishoyo. Ayi, wabe semdumelile-ke uMaKhumalo la edumela uNtanzi ngenkulu impama le. Hayi, labe selingenelelile-ke i-security-ke. Hayi lithi, hawu kodwa ngempela i-security enjani ishaya umfazi? Ayi cha, uNtanzi ungichazile mesedilisha nalo-ke lela security. Asilalela ungaphinde nje ucabanga ukuthi uzoshaya umfazi. Ngathi amen wena Ntanzi, ngempela i-security enjani leli? So honestly, that scene whereby uMaKhumalo even got attacked by security, mina personally lingihethile. I was so hurt on uMaKhumalo's behalf because I knew very well good, simply because now that she has just lost her son, now people are just, bayayidlalela nje la kuMaKhumalo, and yet her other twin son, ufuna ukuqhubeka ngempilo yakhe, aqhubeke nomsebenzi wakhe ukuba uthisha omkhulu nje, ayiqhubekele nje nempilo yakhe, azenzele into zakhe, of which is understandable, but then again, now the family is in its weakness state. uNtanzi has made sure ukuthi he is definitely enemy number one of the family, and he needs to be dealt with because he has attacked, he has attacked them. Hayi-ke uSanele uzilelele-ke lapha eThekwini, usehambile waye eThekwini Nkosi yami. Wafika eThekwini wathi yazini akafuna ukulibele ecabanga ngoBanele kakhulu, and ukuhlala kubo kuzomenza ukuthi lebele ecabanga ngoBanele. He's better off eThekwini. Hayi-ke uhambile-ke nenkoduso yakhe uMbali balele-ke lapha eThekwini mhlampe endlini yabo. Ayike kuthe kusenjalo-ke Phupiyani uBanele, and guys, I must say ukuthi uSanele bamenzele umsebenzi ukuthi engabi attached noma uBanele engahlali phezu kwakhe, bamenzele umsebenzi onjalo. But loyo msebenzi-ke awuzange ube i-success, awuzange ube i-huge success, because nangu uSanele usamphupha uBanele-ke la uyasho ukuthi hayi waze wangiphoxa bafo, waze wangiphoxa. Usakhumbula ukuthi ubaba wasikhulisa kanjani, ukuthi mina nawe kumele sibambane sisebenzisane. Buka manje ula eThekwini kodwa umndeni wakho uyakudinga lapha, and then uLontuzana uBanele uyasho ukuthi hayi no bafu, ukhuluma ngani manje ukuthi umndeni wami uyangidinga, aka-understand kahle uthi hayi vele angeke uzo-understand ngoba uhleli la eThekwini, and umndeni uyakudinga ngale, and wena kumele kube wena uhambayo uyoqondisa izinto lapha ekhaya. Hayi-ke uLontuzana uSanele uthi no, mina ngifuna ukuqhubeka lana ngibe uthisha omkhulu, ngihlale kahle, ngikwazi ukubhekana nenkoduso yami, ngibheke umsebenzi wami. Uyasho-ke lana uLontuzana uBanele ukuthi since nje ngingasekho, kucacile phela ukuthi umndeni usidinga wena, ukuthi kube wena uqondisa iyikwekhe. Ngeke uzovuma ukuthi izinto ubaba ayisebenzela kanzima nami ngayisebenzela kanzima zicwile nje kanjalo. Uyaphaphama-ke kusenjalo. Uma ephaphama-ke uSanele ephupheni lakhe, usetshela ingoduso yakhe uMbali ukuthi hayibo, kumele ngihambe ngiye ekhaya, abantu basekhaya bayangidinga, yimi kumele ngihambe ngoba umholi wasekhaya. Yay. Guys, please comment down below. Nisitshele ukuthi yay nicabangani ngethonga guys. Isiqephu sethu-ke sangolosihlanu siphele kanjalo. Sesizobona-ke isiqephu sethu sanamhlanje ngomsombuluko ukuthi kahle iyozala nkomoni ezobe isiphatheleni nangoke uSanele esezotake over i-family empire. Yeah, guys. Anyway, this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, we'll give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. So then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.